Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're diving into the life and career of Chandler Smith, an up-and-coming talent in the world of NASCAR. Let's explore how he's made his mark in motorsports, from his early beginnings to his rise in the racing scene. Grab a seat and let's get into it. Chandler Smith was born on June 26, 2002 in the small town of Talking Rock, Georgia. Growing up, Chandler had a strong interest in racing, which, as many of us know, often passed down from family. His father, Chris Smith, was involved in racing as well, so it's no surprise that Chandler took an interest in the sport early on. By the age of 12, Chandler was already competing in local short track races, showing early promise and a natural talent behind the wheel. Chandler's career took off when he started racing in the Super Late Model Series. He quickly made a name for himself, impressing fans and fellow drivers alike with his skill and competitive spirit. By 2016, he was already competing at a higher level, entering the NASCAR K&N Pro Series East, which is now known as the ARCA Menards Series East. This marked the beginning of his professional racing career. In just a couple of years, Chandler proved he had what it took to compete at the national level. He finished the 2018 season with multiple top 10 finishes, securing his spot as a rising star in the series. Chandler's big break came in 2020 when he joined Kyle Busch Motorsports, one of the most successful teams in NASCAR. Made his debut in the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series, and it didn't take long for him to make an impact. In his rookie season, Chandler showcased his talent with impressive performances, even earning his first career Truck Series victory at Bristol Motor Speedway in 2021, which really solidified his place in the spotlight. His victory at Bristol was especially significant, as it was a historic moment for both Chandler and the team. Not only was it his first win, but it also proved that he could compete with some of the best drivers in the sport. Chandler's performance in the Truck Series continues to earn him recognition, and he's expected to be a major player in NASCAR's future. One of Chandler's greatest strengths is his adaptability. He's able to quickly adjust to different types of tracks and race formats, which is a crucial skill in NASCAR, where races can vary widely. His racing style is often described as aggressive yet calculated. He's not afraid to take risks when needed, but he also knows when to play it safe to secure a solid finish. Chandler has shown a remarkable ability to handle pressure. Whether it's a late race situation or being surrounded by some of the sport's biggest names, he remains calm and focused behind the wheel, which is why many believe he's poised for continued success. Looking ahead, Chandler Smith's future in NASCAR seems incredibly bright. With his talent, determination, and the backing of a top-tier team like Kyle Busch Motorsports, the sky is the limit. Whether he continues to make waves in the Truck Series or eventually moves up to the NASCAR Xfinity Series, fans can expect to see Chandler competing at the highest levels of the sport for years to come. Many NASCAR insiders believe that Chandler has what it takes to become one of the next big stars in the sport, possibly following in the footsteps of drivers like Kyle Busch and other legends. His work ethic and passion for racing suggest he's in it for the long haul, and it will be exciting to see how far he can go in the sport. And that wraps up our deep dive into the life and career of Chandler Smith. From his early days in Georgia to his rise through the NASCAR ranks, it's clear that Chandler is a talent to watch. With his promising future ahead, we can only expect great things from this young driver. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us your thoughts on Chandler Smith's career.